Hey, did you reserve your time slot in the gym today? No, they have this really cool app now. It's super easy to download. If you pull out your phone, I can walk you through it. Go to your app store, download this app called Leagues. From there, you'll search by school, SUNY New Paltz. Click Login via portal, log in using your My New Paltz credentials, complete the rest of the information required, and then click back into the app. The best part is, once you sign in using the app, it keeps you signed in to make reserving your time slot that much faster. Oh, I registered for the 9 a.m. slot in Elting.